So good morning to one and all. I am Bharti, working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S. Gopal Raju, Government First Aid College, Anekal. In the last session, we have discussed about the meaning of joint venture and objectives of joint venture and what is the difference between joint venture and consignment. And also we have discussed about the difference between joint venture and partnership. So in this session, so we are going to discuss about the methods of maintaining joint venture. So here, in case of joint venture, there are two methods of joint venture. The first method is called as a when separate set of books are maintained, and second method is called as when separate set of books are not maintained. So there are two methods for the calculation of joint venture. So first one is when separate set of books are maintained. Second one is when separate set of books are not maintained. So here in case of first method, again there are three accounts will be prepared. One is called as a joint venture account, co-venture account, and joint bank account. Okay, so this is the separate set of books are maintained. One is a joint venture account, co-venture account, and joint bank account. And in case of second method, when separate set of books are not maintained, there are two cases, case 1 and case 2. Case 1 is when each co-ventures keep records of all transactions. Under that, first one is joint venture account, and next one is co-ventures account will be prepared. And second case, when each co-venture keep records of own transactions only, and that memorandum joint venture account will be prepared, and joint venture with the co-venture account will be prepared. Okay, so first we'll see about the first method. When separate set of books are maintained, so there are some journal entries. So under that, first one is called as a when the contribution made by the co-ventures. When the contribution is made by co-ventures, the journal entry will be joint bank account data to co-ventures account. Second one, when the expenses paid through joint bank account, so the journal entry will be joint venture account data to joint bank account. And the third one is when the expenses paid or material supplied by the co-ventures from private account, the journal entry will be joint venture account data to co-ventures account. And fourth one is when the sales proceed or collections, joint bank account data to joint venture account. And next we'll go for when the collections received by co-ventures. So co-ventures account data to joint venture account. When the assets taken over by the co-ventures, so the journal entry will be co-ventures account data to joint venture account. When the liability is taken over by the co-ventures, the journal entry is joint ventures account data to co-ventures account. When there is a profit on joint venture, so we have to take a joint venture account data to co-ventures account. So when there is a loss on joint venture account, so this will be reverse co-ventures account data to joint venture account. When the final settlement made to co-ventures account data to joint bank account. So joint bank account. So this is the journal entries while preparing joint venture account. So next we'll go for what is the format for preparing joint venture account. So first we'll go for joint venture account. So debit side we have to take certain items and credit. On the debit side to bank account. So as per the journal entry, we have to make a postings to joint bank account. So that is expenses paid through joint bank. And to co-ventures account, expenses paid or material supplied by co-ventures. To co-ventures account for liabilities assumed. and to co-ventures account, so for profit. And the credit side by joint bank account, that is for sale proceeds or collections, by co-ventures account for collection received by co-ventures, and by co-ventures account for assets taken over by the ventures and co-ventures, and by co-ventures account if there is any loss. So this is the format we have to follow for preparing joint venture account. And next we have to prepare co-ventures account. So on the debit side, we have to take to joint venture account for collection received by co-ventures, to joint ventures account for assets taken over by the co-ventures, and to joint ventures account, so this is for loss, and to joint bank account, this is for profit. On the credit side, by joint bank account for contribution made by cash, and by joint ventures account for contribution in the form of goods, and by joint ventures account for expenses paid by co-ventures, and by joint ventures account for expenses or materials supplied by joint ventures account, so this is for profit. And next by bank account for amount received for co-ventures on final settlement. Okay, so this is the format we have to follow for co-ventures account, for preparing co-ventures account. And next we'll go for joint bank account. So we have to prepare joint bank account. So here on the debit side, to co-ventures account for share capital contributed by cash, and to joint venture account for sale proceeds or collections, and to joint ventures account for sale of assets, to co-ventures account for amount received from co-venturer on final settlement. Okay, so this is the format. And on the credit side, we have to take by joint bank account for cash purchases from joint bank account, by joint ventures account for expenses paid out of joint bank account, by co-venturers account balancing figure for payment made to the co-venturers on the final settlement. Okay, this is the format we have to follow in case of joint bank account. And this information I have taken from the book Dr. S. Anil Kumar, Rajesh Kumar, and Mariappa, Advanced Financial Accounting. So Himalaya Publications. Thank you all.